Hello and welcome to On4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'll be showing you how to use the Easy Subli on a small coin bag. In this video I will be using a design from Design Bundles. To get this free design, go to designbundles.net and go to the section labeled Free Designs. You will have to be signed up to get access to it, but it's free to join. This beautiful pumpkin design is from the SVG shop. I don't know the shop owner personally, but they have a lot of great and awesome designs, so check them out when you have a moment. So once you get the design, download it to your computer. Open Cricut and upload the file into Cricut Design Space. Select your image type as complex and hit continue. There is no background that we will need to remove here, so click continue. Save it as a print and cut image and click continue. Okay, select the image to upload it in Design Space. We will need to adjust the size to the size of your coin purse. So for mine, it will be 4 by 4 inches. And that's all we need to do here. So click Save and make it. So with this Siser Easy Subli, you don't have to mirror your image. And make sure to have your Sawgrass print manager open and then hit continue. For the printer choice, select Sawgrass print manager and click print. It may take you to another print screen, so click Sawgrass print manager again and then click print. So after a few seconds, it will take you to the print manager. Just make sure your settings are for Easy Subli vinyl. So after the image print, cut your image on iron vinyl settings. And next you will see how I will press this image onto the coin purse. So first we will need to set our heat press to 311 degrees. And we're just going to slowly weed out the image. This design has some very small details, so I'm trying to be very careful. Next, we're going to add the Subli masking tape over it. So then you're going to take your squeegee tool and push very firmly on the design, front and back, to make sure it's adhered. Next, we're going to place the bag on the heat press and just press it for 3 to 5 seconds. Next, we'll place the design on top of the bag and then add a piece of parchment paper over it, as well over under the bag. Then we're going to press for 15 seconds with the zipper hanging off. Take your squeegee tool and go across it a few times, and then remove the film. Replace the parchment paper and press it for 5 more seconds. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if you would like to join my growing crafting family. And I hope you have a wonderful day.